In this video, we will learn how to delete Facebook Business Manager account or how to delete your Facebook Business Portfolio account. So Business Manager and Business Portfolio is same thing. So first come to your Meta Business Suite and choose your Business Manager. I can delete my this Business Manager. You can see I have already many Business Manager. So if you have already many Business Manager, first you have to select your this Business Manager. So I select this Business Manager. Then you come to setting option, click here setting. You can see there is a option business portfolio info in the top of the site. Just click business portfolio info, click here. This is my business manager. So if you want to delete your business manager, just you have to in the top of this delete business, just click here. When you click delete portfolio, just you Facebook asks your Facebook password, and when you give your password, then your business manager delete 24 hours later. So I hope this video helpful for you. This is very easy how to delete your business portfolio or business manager. So please subscribe my channel, get more video about Facebook marketing and digital marketing related video.